Hello friends, and welcome to another one of our yoga tutorial classes. Today we're going to be breaking down the eagle pose. Now this posture can be slightly challenging for some of you, so I highly recommend you grab a chair or anything to hold on to make sure that you have a little more support with the weight transfer. So to begin first, we are going to start by bringing all of our weight to one foot. So I'm going to have my right foot, but if you're watching this, it might look reversed. So spread your toes wide. And then ground and grip the mat with your toes. So you have a nice stable position here. Now that other leg is gonna come lifted, so knee to your belly button. From here, I want you to slightly start to bend the supported knee, and then you're gonna cross that top knee over top of the bottom knee. From here, you're gonna keep that top ankle flexed, or your foot flexed, and then you're going to hook and wrap that top ankle around the supported leg. So those are your legs. Now from here, let's move over to our arms now. So eagle arms, much easier than the legs because we don't have to worry about stabilization here. So bend your elbows. You're gonna bring your left arm over your right. Then from here, you're gonna start to twist and intertwine the wrist until you can bring the palms of your hands together. So that is your eagle arms. Now just be very careful that when you do this, that your shoulders don't come up to your ears. It's really important that you want to think about bringing the shoulders down away from the ears, but at the same time lifting your elbows. This will also create a really nice stretch in your shoulder and your shoulder blades. Alright, so now let's combine the arms and the legs together into our full eagle posture. So let's start with the legs. Bend your supported knee, bring that top leg up, cross it over, flex that top foot and bind it behind you. Then take the arms, interlace the elbows, the wrist, palms together, and then start to sink a little lower into that eagle pose. Now you want to think about here, aligning the elbows and the knees together. So you want to think of bringing the knees slightly to the right and the elbows to the left. And there you have it. That's your eagle posture. Have fun with it, play with it, use a chair or any support until you're comfortable to do it with no support at all. Lots of love to you guys. See you soon.